Hello students, a very good morning to you all and your parents. Students, today is 18th May. Harvesting season, reaping season is going on. So it is on this day in 1803 that reaping machine, combine harvester was invented. So this day is very important for inventors, for farmers. Also on this day in 1974, India made its first nuclear test. So it is also a very great day in our history of science and mathematics. So combine harvester reaping machine was invented on this day, was patented on this day, and we did a nuclear test in 1974 on this day, 18th May 1974. So keep the importance of this day in your mind. Let us start today's class. Thank you very much. 9th class students, we continue with exercise 28, question number 11. Show that points P05, Q510 and R63 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So first isosceles means two sides should be equal. First I find side PQ. PQ I apply distance formula, 5 minus 0 square, 10 minus 5 square, that is 5 square 25, 5 square 25, it is 50, 50 mean 5 root 2. Then I find side QR. QR is 6 minus 5 square, 3 minus 10 square, root 6 minus 5 1, 3 minus 10 7, 7 square 49. That is also root 50, that is equal to 5 root 2. Then I find third side PR, 6 minus 0 square plus 3 minus 5 square, 36 plus 4, 40, 2 root 10. So in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR, both are equal to 5 root 2, hence triangle is isosceles. Hello. Prove that points P 0 minus 4, Q 6 2, R 3 5, S minus 3 minus 1. They are vertices of rectangle PQRS. Now PQRS is rectangle. If and only if. What is the property of rectangle? In rectangle, PQRS, opposite sides are equal, but opposite sides are also equal in parallelogram. So how can we say that it is rectangle? In this, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. So it is lengthy one. We have to find all the four sides and diagonals. Then first I find side PQ, QR, RS and SP. So what is PQ? I do it orally so that you can do it on your notebook easily. 6 square plus 6 square, it is 6 root 2. To save my time, I don't do the calculations, you can do it. then QR 3 minus 6 3 square 9, 5 minus 2 square 9, so it is 3 root 9 plus 9 18, 3 root 2. Then I find RS. RS is 3 minus 3 6 square, 5 plus 1 6 square, it is 6 root 2. Then SP mean minus 3 minus 0 square 3 square, minus 1 plus 4 square 3 square, so it is 3 root 2. Also I have to find diagonals. PR is equal to 3 minus 0 square 3 square, 5 plus 4 square 9 square, root 90, that is 3 root 10. Then I have to find SQ. SQ is 6 minus 3 square 9 square, 2 plus 1 square 3 square, it is also root 90, 3 root 10. Now you can say that, now you can see PQ is 6 root 2, QS is also 6 root 2, it is 3 root 2, 3 root 2. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. PR and SQ are also equal. So in quadrilateral PQRS, opposite sides are equal, diagonals are equal, hence PQRS is a rectangle. Then right. 13th question, number 13. Prove that points A, B, C are the vertices of an isosceles right angled triangle. So these points A 1 and minus 3, B is minus 3 0, C is 4 1. I have to prove that this triangle is isosceles and right angled. So what is the condition for isosceles? First I have to find three sides. Side AB is minus 3 minus 1 4 square 16, 0 plus 3 square 9. So I do the calculations orally to save my time. Then what is BC? BC is 4 plus 3 7 square plus 1 square, that is root of 50. 49 plus 1 50, that is 5 root 2. Then what is AC? AC is 4 minus 1 3 square, 1 plus 3 4 square, that is 5. So now AB is equal to AC, implies that ABC is isosceles. Also I have to prove that the triangle is right angle triangle. So ABC is right triangle if it follows Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. BC is 5 root 2, AB is 5, AC is 5. 5 root 2 square is 50, 25 plus 25, 50 is equal to 50. Hence triangle is right angled triangle or right triangle. So from 1 and 2, ABC is isosceles right triangle. Now I have to find area. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is 5, height is 5 because BC is largest side, it is hypotenuse. So 25 upon 2, 12.5 units. Square units. Area is always in square units. Then 14, 15, you should do. If you are not able to do, then tell me. Square is all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal. For rhombus, all sides are equal. No need to calculate diagonals. Question number 14 I write so that you can remember. To prove square, all sides equal, diagonals equal. These things you prove in square. All the sides should be equal and diagonals should also equal. For 15 rhombus, you have to prove all sides equal. No need to calculate diagonals. This is rhombus. All sides prove equal. Then question number 16. Points A, B, C, D are the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Find if A is negative and AB is equal to CD. That is easier one. Shall I do? A minus 3 minus 2, B minus 6A, C minus 3 minus 4, D 0 and minus 1. I have to, it is given that AB is equal to CD. What is AB? Minus 6 plus 3 square, A plus 2 square. It is AB is equal to CD. Minus 3 minus 0 square plus minus 4 plus 1 square. Minus minus plus, minus 4 minus minus plus 1. So minus 6 plus 3 square 9 plus A plus 2 square. 3 square is 9 minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 square. So I cancel these square roots on both sides. So this 9 will get subtracted here. So A plus 2 square is 9. A plus 2 is plus minus 3. A plus 2 is minus 3. Then A is equal to minus 3 minus 2. A is equal to minus 5. A plus 2 I take 3. So A is equal to 1. That I don't take because A is negative. A is negative. Here A is positive. In the question it is written that A is negative. So as A is negative, A is equal to minus 5. Answer. 18th, 19th we should do. Question number 20, question number 18 and 19. They are homework for you. Then question number 20. The center of circle is, draw circle, x minus 1, this O point is 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 1. Find x if circle passes through minus 3 1 and length of diameter is 20 units. The circle passes through minus 3 minus 1, let that point be A. Let A be minus 3 minus 1. Then OA is radius. Radius means diameter upon 2. Diameter is 20. So OA is 10 units. OA means 2x minus 1 minus 3 square. I apply formula on OA. O is center, then 3x plus 1 minus, applying distance formula, minus 1 square. This is OA. Now OA is 10. 2x minus 1 minus plus 3 square plus 3x plus 1 minus plus square, it is equal to 10. So I take squares on both sides. 2x plus 2 whole square, 3x plus 2 whole square is 10 square, 100. Apply a plus b square formula. 2x square, 2 into 2x into 2 plus 2 square, apply here. 3x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 2 plus 2 square, it is equal to 100. That is 4x square plus 8x plus 4 plus 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is 100. So 13x square, 8x plus 12x, 20x plus 8 is equal to 100. 13x square, 20x minus 92 is 0. I make factors. 26 minus 26x plus 46x minus 92, 0. 13x is common. X minus 2, 46 is common. X minus 2, 0. So x minus 2, it is equal to 0. X minus 2 is 0. X is equal to 2. 13x plus 46 is 0. X is minus 46 upon 13. With this, we come to end of today's class. Hope you are doing well. Stay inside, stay fit. Thank you very much.